In this video I'm going to show you how to check a recently deleted post on Instagram. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. So first of all, open Instagram on your iPhone or Android, and then tap on profile icon, and here is Instagram profile. First of all, I'm going to delete one of post. Tap on three dot menu, then here is delete icon in this bottom right bottom side. Tap on delete and confirm it. So that post deleted. Go back, and here is three line menu. Tap on, and here is your activity. Tap on your activity, then here is recently deleted. So tap on recently deleted. As you can see, here is two sections, one for post and another one for story. So if you delete post, and you can find here, or if you delete your story, then you can find here. So tap here and tap here your post. As you can see, that post I deleted from my wall. So you can tap here and restore this post to your Instagram profile, or you can delete permanently. So I can tap on delete and delete it, so it will delete it permanently. So if I refresh it, so it will be gone, like your activity recently deleted. As you can see, this post completely deleted from Instagram recently deleted file folder. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next